freelance.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to freelance.com, which is an online platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking their services. It offers a diverse range of freelance categories, including writing, design, programming, and more. Users can create profiles showcasing their skills and experience, making it easier for clients to find suitable freelancers. The platform provides a streamlined communication system and secure payment options to facilitate smooth transactions. Freelance.com aims to foster a thriving freelance community by connecting talented individuals with job opportunities worldwide. So let's dive into it, guys. So as you see, this is our home page that pops up after googling the name freelance.com. So as you see here, you might notice that the website is old. It has an old design, but don't be concerned, it's still working. So as you see here in your top, we have the get hired button and the post job button. Freelancers, if you need to find freelancers or find portfolios, or you want to join the community. You have also the freelance jobs, if you need to find a job or your jobs, or you want to post a job. You have here the friends, if you're looking to make some friends, some lookalike minded friends like you. You have everyone following followers, the mutual between you. You have also the mail where you can see your profile, your account, and if you want to log in if you already have an account. So guys, first of all, let's join the platform. So let's hit join today and we wait for it to load. As you see, you can start freelancing today. So you fill this information, your name, email address, and your password. And if you are already a member, you can just type your email address and your password and you hit login. So I'm going to fill this information and get back to you. So after filling those information, you need to fill those information also. So you can write a description or your resume, talk about you and your job and your skills, and you need to respect those guidelines. As you see here, enter a description of yourself, or simply paste your resume. Please do not include your email address, phone number, or any other confidential information. Please verify that your spelling and grammar are correct and professional. Remember, any information you enter into this field will be visible to others. So this description will be visible to others to see if they want to hire you or not. And here you give them your hourly rate or how much money you get paid per hour. And here you have the directories. So you can choose your skills. You choose as many as you have. As you see here, you can choose 5 skills at least. And you also need, at least you need 2 skills. At least to get accepted, you need 2 skills. And the rating of every skill. If you are an expert, advanced, proficient, and so on. And here you have your exposure rate. So the more higher, the more better. So I'm going to fill this information and get back to you in a second. So guys, after filling those informations, you have this also to fill. So here you can choose your membership. If you want a basic membership or a professional or a featured, you can select one of those 3. And here you have the discount. You can choose if you want to go with the 1 month discount or the 6 month discount or 12 months discount. So everyone and its price. Here you have the renewal. When my membership expires, renew it as a basic membership for only $3 each month, and the amount due. So this varies with the discount that you choose. So if you choose the 6 months, you see it changes, and if you choose the 21 the 12 months, it also changes the amount of money that you need to pay. So let's go with the 1 month, and then you have to fill in your payment method. So if you want to pay with your Visa or your MasterCard or Amex or your Discover, or you want to pay with your PayPal. So you just need to type your card number here, the expiration date, and your security code, and then you go to activate. If you don't want to go with your credit card, you can go with your PayPal, and when you hit activate, it will take you to fill your PayPal information. So as you see here, we can't use PayPal for 1 month memberships. We need to select a multi-month membership, or we pay with our credit or debit card. So let's choose the professional one, and then let's proceed with our PayPal account. So this also we cannot use it. I'm sorry, I choose the membership. So I'm going with the 6 months. That's it. And let's go with activate. So it will work right now. So we wait for it. And there you go, as you see. Let's transfer it to English. So as you see, we just enter our email or our mobile number and hit next. Then we can be able to pay with our PayPal. So let's go back to our freelance.com. It seems like it doesn't want to work. Let's just type it again. And here it is. So as you see, freelance.com. So for the others who want to look for someone to hire, you can post your job right here, and then you can decide how much they will get paid, and you can hit post your job, and it's free, guys. You can post jobs for free, and you can get one of those freelancers to work with you or for you. And here you have the featured freelancers and portfolios, so you can just scroll and check those down, and you can find a fit, or you can find a freelancer to hire. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in other videos.